Hey everyone, and welcome to another beautiful day here in Sorrento. And after the rain in Pompeii yesterday, it's absolutely glorious here today. And we're going on another boat, aren't we?
We are. We're going to Capri. So we're about to get on the fast boat, apparently. Is it a bit of an express?
Yep, it takes about 20 minutes. And it's just boarding now, so we need to go.
Got our tickets? Let's go.
We've just arrived and wow, it's amazing. The views from the boat as you were coming in, absolutely stunning. It looks great. So excited to be here. And I think today we're going to take a bus to Anacapri.
We are. It's been recommended. It's been recommended to me. So
yeah, it's been recommended by Ivan's auntie.
By my aunt. So yeah, hi Aunt Harriet.
So it best be good. It best be good.
So yeah. So we're not quite sure where that is, but we're going to get a bus and let's check it out. But I mean, wow, seriously, beautiful.
So quaint.
Unreal. Again, it's like some out of a bloody postcard. You see these kind of things in brochures, don't you?
So the first plan was we were going to get the bus to Anacapri, but we've got a little bit sidetracked and we started walking up these windy little lanes. And we think that the centre of Capri itself is up here somewhere. So we've had a look on the maps. Looks like there's quite a few bars and restaurants, so we're going to head up there first, hopefully get some good views. I'd quite like to fly the drone as well, because I think some of the scenery from the drone would be amazing, because it's such a beautiful island. So yeah, but it's good. I'm glad that we've come at this time of year because it's not too hot, it's just nice. We've reached the top. It took us about 15 minutes to get up here.
Maybe marginally longer, but it's okay.
Yeah, so but it's really worth it. I mean, the view's absolutely stunning up here. But we walked it all the way up and just realised, I've just found out, there's actually some kind of little train that could bring you up here.
Like a little funicular thing or a little metro train thing. So
I wish I'd have known that about 20 minutes ago. But we did work on breakfast, I guess.
We did. We don't have much of one, but yeah.
So all's well.
It's coffee time. I love this time of day. Right, okay, so we're at the top of Capri. We're in a beautiful little cafe. We've got an amazing view, right? I've got a lemon croissant with lemon on. I mean, it looks beautiful. Right, and then I've got obviously the standard latte, right? But what is really nice here is you actually get the milk in a separate hot jug. So, you know, it's going to make my latte.
And I'm being boring with some sparkling water.
Look at that! Love it, love it, love it!
Life's small pleasures. We've just arrived in Anacapri on what was probably the world's smallest bus.
It literally was like a little box, seriously.
Tiny, it was cute but it was tiny. And it was a bit hair-raising at times, trying to hold on for dear life.
Wasn't much to hold on to, and then Ryan had the kind of things to hold on to on the bus, but they kept moving, so you're like, this way.
And the driver, when we first set off from Capri,
he just floored it.
No, he was playing on his phone. He was playing some kind of casino game on his phone. So,
but the roads are so narrow that they've got to have almost like special buses made, or you have to go, almost like little vans, aren't they? Little, what do you want to call it,
Anyway, we're on a bit of a whistle stop tour today, so we need to get on with our little walk around Anacapri.
It's beautiful.
So we've stopped for some lunch now, we're having pizza again. But I guess when you're in Italy you've got to. So Ivan's got some margarita, and then we've both got, and this is a first for us, sausage pizza with fries. So not a separate portion of fries, actual fries on your pizza. So I'm not sure what it's going to taste like. So that's yours.
It's mad to think, you would never think about putting chips on pizza.
Carb overload.
When in Italy. We're on our way to the beach, so we're going to Marina Grande, which is a beach that's actually quite near the ferry, the port, so that'll be quite convenient for us then to get the ferry back over to Sorrento later. So time for a bit of beach, let's do it.
And that was our day here in beautiful Capri. It's absolutely stunning, and you can tell exactly why it's a millionaire's playground. It's absolutely beautiful.
No, it is, it's stunning. I've been looking for Mariah Carey because she loves coming here, but she wasn't here today. Obviously stuck in New York in a COVID nightmare, but you know, hey ho. But
anyway, we went to Capri,
Yeah.
Went to Capri and Anacapri. Capri is the actual centre of Capri, and that's just up there at the top of the mountain. Absolutely beautiful, lovely views, great nice cafes and restaurants, designer shops, everything that we buy into. Anacapri's nice.
yeah, it's more
just not
inland.
as nice.
Yeah, it's inland, so you don't get the views in Anacapri, but it's quaint. Again, some nice coffees, shops and kind of lanes to meander around and you just get lost in, and that's really nice, you know. But we like the view, and you get that from Capri.
Some people will disagree with us, some people prefer Anacapri. What do you think? If you've got any views, leave it in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you, as always. So we're off to Sorrento now, back to the hotel, and then tomorrow we're continuing our grand tour of Italy, and we're going to
Venice!
Venice. That's our next stop here in Italy. We can't wait. Hope you can follow us by subscribing to us on YouTube, and if you do subscribe to us, if you hit that bell button, you'll get instant notifications every time we drop new content. And we're also on Facebook as well, aren't we?
We are, and also our website www.theglobeguys.com. And if you're interested in finding out about our digital business, because we're both digital entrepreneurs and we help people set up their own digital businesses where you need no experience and there's no selling. If you want to know more, drop us a message.
But anyway, we've got a ferry to catch now, so we'd better look sharp, and we'll see you in the next destination.
Ciao!
Bye.